What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. The first thing you might notice today is that the Jeep is a little bit dirty. Reason why: it's been raining a lot here in Miami lately, and on top of that, I also took the Jeep for a little bit of an off-road. It wasn't a big deal, that's why I didn't record a video or I didn't make a video about it. So I'm gonna wash this Jeep today, but before doing that, we need to do something. And that is why I'm taking some of my tools, because we need to fix something on the Jeep that has been bothering me for at least a month now. So let's start the Jeep and let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you guys recall from a couple of videos ago, we replaced a lot of things on the steering system on this car, right? We put a new steering brace, a power steering pump, and a new steering box. So in specific, the power steering pump, we got it from Advanced Auto Parts, because the one that comes with this Jeep, I accidentally broke one plastic piece of the reservoir and I couldn't fix it. Right after we finished with all the installation and everything, I noticed that the power steering pump was making noise. I thought it was just a leak on the line, or some type of air coming into the reservoir, or the power steering fluid was low. I let the car just like that. So let me show you what I'm talking about, if you guys can hear this. But this is pretty much the noise that this Jeep is making. Every single time I turn the steering wheel, this is the noise that it's making. So every time I turn the steering wheel, it makes that noise. Now, right now, it is not too bad, but especially when the car gets hot or when you drive it for a long period of time, the noise becomes worse and worse and worse. That is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to replace all that. I did everything myself the last time, and it took me about an hour or so to do everything. After that, we're gonna be taking this Jeep for a while. I don't want the dirt to stay in the Jeep for too long, because that creates rust and all the issues that we all know. So I'd rather just keep my Jeep as clean as possible. So let's get rolling and let's get into this video. So this is what I'm talking about. I put it 1 month ago, but apparently it's not working fine and it's making a lot of noise. Let me see if I can put the camera here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And as you guys can see, it's not even that I'm making full turns, it's just, you know, like this. The tire is not even moving, it's just a little bit and it's making a lot of noise. Hopefully we can fix that problem today. Alright, so the first thing, we put the cars on jack already, just enough, just so wheels can turn, and that's it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this fan right here, because that will give me better access to that bolt right there of a tensor. So this is an 8mm socket that we're gonna be using to remove the fans. You also have to remove this plug here. there, and it is start raining. Now we're gonna use a 15mm socket for this tensor right here. So once that I have the belt out, one thing that I usually do is I secure the belt here with a zip tie. But anyways, if you get lost by any chance, you have here the belt routing, so there's no way you can miss that. Alright, so now we need a 13mm socket, so we can take these bolts out. So now you're gonna be very careful with this connection right here, because that's what broke last time. I was trying to get it out, and since it was so old and it's old plastic, it is very easy to break. So you gotta be very careful with this. This is the part that I'm going to be replacing, but first I need to get this out. So you have to get the pulley out and then put the pulley in the new one. So let's do that now. So I already took it out, took the pulley off, and get the new one. Get the new power steering pump. So let's see if this one works. Here we go. Yes. All right guys, so I did not film the whole process till the end because it was getting dark. How I took the power steering pump out is the same process how I put it back in. The steering feels a lot lighter. Like you can see, you can do this with just one hand. It feels a lot better than the previous one. The problem is that the noise is still there. I mean, it is a little bit better. You don't feel, it is not as noisy as the previous one, but you still have that noise there. So here we are. I just got to the car wash now, and I'm gonna wash this baby because it is dirty, and after that we're going home. That's it guys, it's been a long day. I've been working on this for like 2 or 3 hours. It is very late, it's like almost 10 at night, but yeah, we made it. We did everything that I wanted to do today. So thank you so much for watching. As always, subscribe to the channel because there's gonna be a lot more content. I have a couple of goodies for this car coming in next week. For next week I'm expecting like 3 different packages for this thing. And I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but definitely upgrades. So stay tuned. See you next time. Take it easy.